Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss out on our latest tips and tricks for a healthier, more natural lifestyle. I'm Wealth, and today, we're diving into a fascinating topic: 7 herbs that can help eliminate gray hair. Gray hair is a natural part of aging, but did you know that certain herbs can actually help in reducing or even eliminating those silver strands? Whether you're looking to turn back the clock or simply want to maintain your natural color, these herbs are your new best friends. Let's get started.
First up, we have amla, or Indian gooseberry. Packed with antioxidants and vitamin C, amla is known to boost hair pigmentation and strength. You can consume it as a juice, powder, or even apply it as a hair mask. Not only does it help with grey hair, but it also strengthens hair follicles and prevents dandruff. To make an amla hair mask, mix amla powder with some coconut oil until you get a smooth paste. Apply it to your hair, focusing on the roots, and leave it on for about 30 minutes before washing it off. Doing this once a week can show significant results over time. Next on our list is black sesame seeds. These little seeds are a powerhouse of nutrients like calcium, magnesium, and iron. They are believed to promote melanocyte activity, which produces melanin, the pigment responsible for hair color. Incorporating them into your diet can be as simple as sprinkling them on your salads or including them in your smoothies. You can also make a delicious sesame seed paste, commonly known as tahini, which can be used in various recipes. The regular intake of black sesame seeds not only helps with grey hair, but also improves overall hair health and texture. We have bringraj, also known as false daisy. This herb has been used in Ayurvedic medicine for centuries to enhance hair health and color. Bringraj oil can be massaged into the scalp to improve circulation, which in turn promotes hair growth and prevents premature graying. For an effective bringraj hair treatment, warm some bringraj oil and massage it into your scalp. Leave it on for at least an hour, or overnight if possible, before washing it off with a mild shampoo. Regular use can make your hair darker and shinier. Curry leaves, these are rich in beta-carotene and protein, essential nutrients for hair health. They also contain antioxidants and amino acids that strengthen hair follicles and moisturize the scalp. You can add curry leaves to your meals or create a hair tonic by boiling them in coconut oil. To make a curry leaves hair tonic, boil a handful of curry leaves in coconut oil until they turn black. Let the oil cool, strain it, and then massage it into your scalp. This tonic not only helps in reducing grey hair, but also adds a beautiful shine to your hair. Let's talk about rosemary. Known for its ability to darken hair over time, rosemary oil can be massaged into the scalp to stimulate hair growth and improve color. Rosemary is also great for improving scalp health by fighting dandruff and itchiness. Mix rosemary oil with a carrier oil like olive or coconut oil for the best results. Massage it into your scalp and leave it on for about an hour before washing it off. You can also prepare a rosemary rinse by boiling rosemary leaves in water, letting it cool, and using it as a final rinse after shampooing. Next is henna. While commonly known as a natural dye, henna also strengthens and conditions the hair. Applying a henna paste to your hair not only colors it but also improves its overall health. Henna is rich in proteins and antioxidants, which help repair and nourish the hair. To make a henna paste, mix henna powder with water and let it sit for a few hours. You can also add other ingredients like tea, coffee, or essential oils to enhance the color and benefits. Apply the paste to your hair, leave it on for a few hours, and then rinse it off with water. Henna not only covers grey hair, but also leaves your hair feeling soft and shiny. Finally, we have sage. Sage is excellent for darkening grey hair and adding shine. It has natural pigments that gradually darken hair when used regularly. You can use sage tea as a hair rinse to gradually bring back your natural color. To prepare a sage tea rinse, steep a handful of sage leaves in boiling water for about 30 minutes. Let it cool, strain the leaves, and then pour the tea over your hair after shampooing. Leave it on for about 15 minutes before rinsing it out with water. This rinse not only helps in darkening grey hair, but also improves scalp health. And there you have it, 7 amazing herbs that can help eliminate grey hair and keep your locks looking vibrant and youthful. Have you tried any of these herbs before? Let us know in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Don't forget to follow us on social media for more natural health and beauty tips. And if you have any suggestions for future videos, feel free to leave them in the comments. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay healthy and stay beautiful.